Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
How to make my simple, quick, and easy Polish kielbasa bake. First, I'll set the oven at 350. And while that's preheating, I'm going to open a can of this Frank's Kraut. I get it put out into a saucepan here, and I'm going to set it at low. Meantime, I'm going to open up this package of Hillshire Farms Polish kielbasa. Easy open package. Makes it quick and simple. This Hillshire Farms plastic wrap is simple and easy to remove. Just like that. There we go. Now you're going to want some Bob Evans original mashed potatoes. And these are great. If you haven't tried these, you're going to want to. I'll get this spooned out here onto the kielbasa, and it's sitting on a aluminum foil and a cookie tray, baking tray. I just heard the alarm go off. The oven is preheated, so I'm going to hurry up and get this wrapped up and into the oven. I'll set the timer at 45 minutes. And now you've got to wait 45 minutes. Oh, there you go. 45 minutes is up. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this out of the oven. I'll get it up top here and remove the foil. Just watch the steam roll off this as I open this foil up. Ah, yes, that looks nice. I can't wait to try this.
Simple, easy, and cheap. The way I like it. Slap your mama. Just a little. I like this stuff so much that I have a tendency to put too much on. And when that happens, it's a little bit spicy, but more salty. It's got plenty of salt in it. So, sometimes these will have skin on them. You'll want to peel that skin off. Skin doesn't bother me, but plus it's too thick to chew. Here we go. Thumbs up. Wow. Some of that sauerkraut in there. So, there you have it. A good, quick, easy, simple meal to prepare for the family or just yourself. Thanks for watching today. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.